could just let me know something about yourself. How has been your journey? You said you're from Allahabad.
Yeah.
And you've come to Bangalore, and you've already bought 2 homes in Bangalore, and Jane Heights is your second home in Bangalore. We would like to know what's your name, like every detail on your career, your business, or your personal life. If you could share just 2 minutes of your time with us and tell us something about yourself.
So, like, I stay now in Bangalore, but I started my career around 2004 in Bangalore after doing my engineering, and that's when, after a couple of years, we had bought our first home near Bangalore. So right now I'm working as an associate director in one of the IT firms, and because I'm working in that central business district, I think most of my career in near retail industrial clients, right? So we wanted to pick up a home around that area. So that's when we were looking at Sarjapur Road and all this. So I think it's 15th August of 2012. That's when you had put those big advertisements in your newspaper.
Yes.
So that's when it got my attention, and at that time my dad wanted to buy another property because I had bought the first one. This time he wanted to buy something, and he was planning his retirement. So that's when we saw, and we thought this would be closer to our office, probably we all can stay together. That's when we picked up this house, and that was the perspective basically behind picking up East Parade.
What was it that pulled you towards Jane Heights and East Parade as a project?
So we have gone through your Sarjapur project, which was nearly about to complete in the year 2011 or 12.
This is the Altura.
That's the Altura project.
Altura.
Yes.
So some name was there of Jane Heights those days.
Okay.
Not like our Janpuri and others. Jane Heights was some name. So we have selected Jane Heights, and it was near to my son. He is working there. He is much closer to 3 to 4 kilometers in between that. So we selected Jane Heights and East Parade projects.
But what was that one unique thing, or what was the most liked thing of our project East Parade?
So I would say that was location. So location being part of, I think it's quite centrally located, one. The second thing is, I think the quality of construction, which my father just mentioned, like of Altura, he had liked that a lot. And one of his close friends, who seems to be a builder again,
Okay.
so his family also stays there in Altura. So that's what we came to know, okay, the quality is good, and he personally knows Mr. Dana.
Okay.
So he said, okay, you can probably, they have a good rapport in the industry, so you can go ahead with it.
The elevation was also good outside. It was looking like this elevation different.
Colonial
style.
Yes. So we have gone through this.
That's very nice.
You should say location, and probably from credible sources we knew that it's established news.
So how was your journey, sir? From the time you went, you visited the East Parade project, you saw the property, you met a salesperson over there, and from there on he's explained the whole thing to you. He's told you every little detail about the project. So from there, what journey you started with us till now, today, you have done the registration, you have completed the whole process.
I put my flat in the year 2012 in the month of August end. Okay. And in between there was I will appreciate that Jane Heights was having a lot of problems to deal with the landowner and to come up this project.
Right.
But we are getting all the information time to time. In meantime, 2013, I thought I should withdraw the things. In meantime, Mr. John left and Mr. Santosh joined later on in the year 2013 or 14.
Right.
He has given all the feedback. Then I was with myself assured that the Jane Heights is a good builder. If I paid the 90% advance, and those people have not paid, so I paid in 90% advance in 2012 itself. So I was sure about the Jane Heights. They will certainly complete their project. So I am thankful to the God also. So Jane Heights has completed their project almost in the within scheduled times. I hope so. Within scheduled times, not a delay. So this was the only journey, and whatever I told the your people are very good. Whenever we are visiting their engineer also, for the interacting with us and all, whenever we are talking to Madam Glory, whatever is the energetic he hai, for responding for.
So even when you were at site, our engineers have helped you.
They have supported us. In fact, whenever we needed any help, and in fact, the CRM department, sales department, everyone has been very
Glory has always
responsive.
been.
But naturally, she wanted to see what is going on.
Right.
But they explained right time and right moment and
Right.
right thing what they were narrating to us.
I would say, yeah,
So I waited another
transparency has
3.5
been
years after making my payments.
Okay. So you're happy with the transparency that's
Yeah.
been maintained.
Yes.
And the timely updations. I think she always regularly sends you
Yeah.
the
Monthly status report.
monthly. Yes.
Yes.
It's very happy to know, because since you have been, well, from the time we have met each other, you've been appreciating Glory a lot. I think she's one source from Jain Heights who's been there for East Parade project from a very long time, and that's the review she gets even from her other customers as
I'll be
well.
very transparent. So there was a time when my dad said, right, there was some problem, there were some people changes happening at your end also. So there was a small checkup, okay, whether things will go fine or not. I think you had contractors change and some small issues which you were trying to iron out. At that time, but after that, when monthly updates from Glory started coming, and then everything settled down after that. So I think that confidence building was done. So that was a good part.
Thank you so much for your time. We're just honored to have you as our valued customers, and it's a proud moment for us also today that we are closed on one more registration, successful registration. We're very happy for it, and it's been a long journey from 2012 to 16. It's been a pretty long journey, like 4 years, and we have been there. Yes, there were moments that actually made you rethink, but I think the trust that you have on us and what kept you going, we are really thankful to you. And please welcome on board for Jain Heights family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.